So I'm gonna be doing this fake ass unboxing for you guys because your bitch got a package. Guys rant and rave about this company. Like, you guys really need to get on this company. If you guys are not on it, if you guys don't know about it, you really need to get on it because it has all your underground makeup brands. You know how you have like rappers and then you have like SoundCloud rappers, but the SoundCloud rappers are actually pretty good? That's like this company. This motherfucker is the SoundCloud rapper, okay? No. This company is SoundCloud and they have all the SoundCloud rappers. You feel? You catch my fucking drift? No? Okay. Well, anyways, so basically I got this package because I ordered a bunch of stuff from Shop Hush. If you guys haven't heard of Shop Hush, open a new tab. Don't close my video. Just stop it. Pause it. Go to shophush.com and look at their stuff because I kid you not, like, there's so many things. Let's get to opening. There's one thing in particular that I really am excited for, and it's a setting spray. You guys can guess what setting spray it is. I'll give you a high five. Alright, so to start off, their stuff comes in bubble wrap. Okay. This is what I wanted. First thing that I got is this So Totally Clean Deep Pore Cleanser. Now, I thought this was going to be like a foaming thing, kind of like face wash, but it's not. It's actually like a toner. It smells alright. I don't really know what it smells like. It kind of smells like a formula, but like they tried to scent it a little bit. It is for acne. Basically, I have bad acne, so this helps clear acne pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads, and helps prevent the development of new acne blemishes, which your girl needs because I don't like to be breaking out. I already got a pimple right here, and my skin has been doing amazing. Next, we have this. This is literally what I've been waiting for. I honestly thought that this shit was going to be so expensive. It wasn't. It was like $22, but I got it on sale because I'm a bargaining queen, you feel me? The Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. I'm super excited to use it. Should I just put some more setting spray on it? I'm gonna fucking do it. Oh my god, this smells so good. I don't remember which one I got. Okay, whatever the pink one is, I'll leave it. I'll tell you guys. I don't remember, but yeah. And I like their packaging, like black and gold. It's like so simple, but like so sleek. The story behind these were that I actually got two different orders. I ordered something one day, then I ordered literally the day after because something else went in stock that I really wanted to get for you guys. I will have another video up on that. It will be the Huda Beauty palette dupes. I don't remember what they're called. The package was supposed to come, I ordered my stuff on the 4th, the big purchase, then I ordered one thing on the 5th. And the package was supposed to come the 11th. Turns out it got delayed. I've actually never had that happen before in the company, but it happens. I'm not worried about it. I still got my package. 10 days, not really bad. Normally they will take about a week, not 10 days, but mine just happened to, I don't know. Okay, so two things. When ordering from the company, I really suggest that you guys get the app. You guys get freebies, and there is free shipping through the app. I don't think that there's free shipping through the website, but if you get the app, I know they have it for iOS. I don't know if they have it for Android, but if you get the app, you guys get freebies sometimes. You'll get free shipping. For me, since I spent over $35, I got two free things. This one, I don't remember why I got this for free, but I got it. I don't remember. Maybe because I was like a new user. Like, I forgot my username, so I just made another one. And then these, if you spend over $35, you get to spin the wheel, their virtual wheel, and Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray is on the prize wheel, but I didn't get those. Unfortunately, I got these car lashes, which they're actually not too bad. They're wispy, so we'll try those out. Other thing that I got for free is this collagen crystal eye mask, and I had actually wanted to get those. They have these black ones on there, but they I think they have like something like with fish in it. I don't know if they actually smell like fish, and I'm really hoping that if I buy them, they're not going to smell like fish. So these are these collagen eye masks, and they literally just go right here. I'm not going to put them on. obviously because you looks cute right now. Okay, when you use it, you're just going to clean and dry your face, and then you open it. For the best results, you use them right after you open it. So I'm actually super excited to use these. I'll let you guys know how it goes, probably on Snap. If you guys don't have my Snap, go ahead, pause the video and add me. You guys didn't pause it? Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. One of the things I ordered was this. It is the anti-aging eye roller, and it's supposed to roll away dark circles and wrinkles. I'm only 20, okay, I just turned 20, and when you start skincare at a younger age, you're more likely to get into the habit of it, and also, like, you're just preventing yourself. Like, I'm preventing myself from getting wrinkles, and I feel like sometimes I already have dark circles. I don't really know if that's true, but I be thinking it. So it comes in this little roller thing. I opened it before. You kind of like break the ball. That didn't make sense. Okay, so you open it, and this doesn't actually move. So like you just have to, and then it will like pop, and then yeah, then you just. I'm gonna be using this probably in my night routine before I go to bed. So when I wake up in the morning, I got some cute ass eyes, some cute ass under eyes. The last three things that I got are palettes, and all of their palettes, they come in like bubble wrap, obviously because they want to make sure that your stuff doesn't break, because if I was a company and I had to send you another one, I'm losing money. Okay, this palette, the Athena palette, actually I ordered this one the day after my first order because it was not in stock, and it literally came in stock the day after I already placed my order. So I just went ahead and bought it. Free shipping, why the f not? It's like a no-brainer. Come on now. This palette and the Aphrodite palette, these are the two palettes that are the Huda Beauty dupes. Stay tuned, I will be doing a dupe video, swatch video, everything for you guys in my next video. So I'm not going to tell you how much these ones are yet. Okay, I'll tell you how much I spent in total. I'm not going to tell you how much these are individually, but the Huda Beauty palettes themselves are 65 bucks, and your girl don't got 65 bucks to spend, okay? Especially when my ass is saving for a car. Okay, and then this last palette that I got, I was actually super excited to get it. I love this feeling. Does anyone else just feel packaging like it just feels soft? Don't judge me. This is the Retro Love by Bad Habit. By the way, all of these palettes are from Bad Habit. They are, I don't know, I've never heard of them, but they make dupes. This one is going to be 14 different colors. This is another dupe. I will do a review on this one when I order the second one. So this is a dupe for the Subculture palette. Super cute. Ooh. They do have another dupe for the Modern Renaissance palette. And once I get that one, I will make another dupe video for those two Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. But for right now, let me show you this one. I'll get more in depth of swatching and everything in the dupe video. So if you guys want to see the pigment on them, definitely watch that video. Tell me that this is not the Huda Beauty palette, okay? It is. It is. Look at those. Look at this color. This one is Aphrodite, and this is Athena. Pretty nice, pretty nice. I would like to say so myself. This is actually my favorite color right here. It is called Daring. I'm not 100% sure. I actually think this is glitter. Don't quote me on that because I didn't want to swatch it yet for you guys since I haven't made the dupe video. For everything that I bought, I technically bought 6 things and then I got 2 freebies. So with everything, my total came up to $67. Free shipping, that was including tax and everything. It was either 67 or 65. This palette is 10, and the other dupe for the Modern Renaissance palette is also 10. The setting spray originally is $22. I did get it on sale for only $4 off. Like, that's not big of that deal, but it was $18. Yes, please, you guys, go to shophush.com. Okay, I'm telling you, don't sleep on the website. It's amazing. I love it. And plus, the coolest thing is actually, okay, so you guys aren't going to be able to see this, but basically when you go onto the app, make your little account, they have daily challenges. It's not really a challenge, it's literally like, hey, sign into the app, press claim, and you get points. Okay, so, and then these points can actually go towards your purchase. Right now I have 154 points. For every $1 you spend, I think you get a point. So with that being said, I did not spend $154, but I have been going onto the app and just clicking. It just literally takes like 5 seconds, and I know it's not a lot, but so far I have $1.54 off my next purchase. You know, gotta get them bargains. Alright, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and if you guys buy anything from Shop Hush, let me know. Put it in the comments down below, Snapchat it to me, Instagram, DM it, I don't care what you do, but hey, get some palettes. They have beautiful palettes, beautiful skincare, and they have LA Girl, because a lot of people don't know where to get LA Girl, and I don't want any of you guys buying it from eBay, especially since that last thing happened. But they have LA Girl stuff, they have Milani, they have NYX, they actually have the balm now, and it's not just makeup. There's makeup, there's skincare, there's hair stuff, there's everything, body wash, you name it. So head on over to Shop Hush and check it out.
You guys, this video isn't sponsored, but it should be.